Tui Maumi, village elders, Turangana Talatala, PA from Commissioner's Office, invited guests, members of the media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. It is an honor to be here this afternoon, and I must acknowledge the efforts taken by the community to welcome us. And at this juncture, I would like to thank the village elders and the youths for the welcome ceremony. Naka. Ladies and gentlemen, government through Ministry for Youth and Sports is committed to enhance the development of sports and recreational activity in the country. Earlier this year, the ministry completed the review exercise of the National Sports and Recreational Activity Policy. And members of the public submitted their thoughts, opinions, and suggestions regarding the sports development and recreational activity in the country, which go hand in hand. And in few months' time, I'm going to submit this to the cabinet for the endorsement. We also see the development of sports as physical education, physical activity, and sport for both recreational and competitions. Sports help to create well-rounded and well-mannered individuals. Government through the Ministries of Health and Youth and Sports cannot overemphasize the need for us Fijians to stay healthy and physically active. Through our participation in sports and physical activity, we will stay healthy, which is good for our communities and our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the development of the ground here has been part of a long list of requests over the years. And today I am pleased that this has finally been delivered. This upgrade ensured the ground meets required standards and size. It is the commitment of the ministry to ensure that we provide the best investment in sports development and sports facilities across the country. It is well known all over Fiji of the saying, Tailevu no lenga. With that saying, the Vanua together with the ministry had worked tirelessly in making sure that this ground is developed, and we are here today to witness the handing over of this government project back to the people, and we thank you for your support and the dedication. This was done, of course, with the support from the youths and the community at large. Naka. I must also commend the Village Development Committee's commitment to lift this development to another level. This is what we want. The commitment from the community which empowers to take things forward without waiting for government. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will maintain your sports ground and ensure that it is utilized to the fullest for the people and nearby communities as well. I hope it will bring you many hours of fun-filled activities as families coming together to enjoy healthy living. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for your presence here. Vinaka, and thank you.